What's up, guys? Just finished installing the Yoshimura Alpha exhaust here. It's fucking loud, guys. It is so damn loud. I know I could put a baffle in here, but putting the baffle is kind of fucking hard to do. Like, I tried to do it, but I just didn't want to bother. But that's just an excuse because I just wanted to ride it without the baffle. Anyway, let's turn this bad boy up. Ooh, ooh. It does sound amazing. You hear that shit? God damn. Whew. It sounds very meaty right now. Of course, I'm gonna give it some revs. Oh, Christ, stepped on gum. Oh God, that's loud. Holy shit. Honestly, I should have expected it to be this loud, but even though I told myself it's gonna be fucking loud, I was not prepared to hear how loud it was. And honestly, I might install the dB killer, but I don't know if I'm gonna go through the noob. Anyway, I don't know if I want to go through the hassle of removing the exhaust and installing the dB killer. This could be annoying to do. For now, I'll just ride it like so. Fuck it, I'm running this. Oh, it's green anyway. Oh, wow, it does sound beautiful though. Oh, baby. It's like this whole bike just transformed into another monster. It's no longer a putting machine, like putt, 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 putt. It doesn't do that anymore. It sounds like a meaty machine, kind of like a chopper sound. You know what it sounds like? It sounds like a helicopter. It's that fucking loud. It is so damn loud. So here's how it sounds on, when it's idling. It's pretty loud. Everyone's looking at me, maybe because it's so damn loud. Shit, I'm gonna have to put the baffle on. Fuck. We'll see what happens. We'll see if anyone says something. And if someone says something, I'll put the baffle on. Or I could just say fuck it and say, and I'll do whatever the fuck I want, One thing I like about the sound is the deceleration. It sounds beautiful when it decelerates. Like, you hear that? Ooh, it's so good. When I was installing this earlier, when I removed the stock exhaust, dude, all I can say is the stock exhaust is super heavy. Like, it is incredibly heavy. It's like, I think from my estimation, it's a good 30 pounds. 30 pounds, guys. That's a heavy piece of metal. I think this one is about maybe around 10, less than 10. I want to say like 9 pounds in total. So, the weight savings are incredible on this thing. I actually took a half day just to install this thing. It sounds better now though. Oh my God. My only complaint with this bike was that it didn't sound good, but now it does. So now I don't really have much of a complaint. Look at that Lambo up ahead. I'm gonna rev bomb him. It's a great day right now. Shit, look at that Lambo. God damn. Alright, there's a tunnel up ahead. Let's see how it sounds when I go through it. It's my time to shine, baby. Ooh, this is what a bike's supposed to sound. Tunnel. Ooh, that sounds fucking beautiful. Holy shit. This thing is making me smile ear to ear right now. Give it a little rev. Ooh, that sounds so good. It literally sounds like I'm riding a helicopter. Oh my God, it sounds so fucking good, guys. Holy shit. like I'm only going like 30 miles an hour, and it's like, yo, it already sounds amazing. Let me see how it sounds on the highway. I'm gonna try to take it. I'm skipping these guys. Ah, the highway's traffic right now. Oh my god, dude. Holy shit, that sounds amazing. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. You guys need to you know, you guys need to get this exhaust. It's so fucking good. I'm literally fucking like having like a dopamine rush right now because of this thing. It sounds so good. Oh my god, it's so loud. It's hilariously loud. It's like, this is the loudest thing I've ever like ridden. I thought my my CBR with the Leo Vince exhaust was loud, but this is on another level, bro. Holy shit. It's so good though. Oh my god. I'm telling you guys, if you change the exhaust on a bike, holy shit, it just makes it more enjoyable to ride, man. And there's honestly, I'm not sure if it's placebo, but there's definitely a little bit more pickup. Also, it helps that it like reduced by 20 or so pounds of weight. It does feel a little lighter, honestly. Yep, it feels a lot more nimble. Holy shit, feels good. Shit, that's mad good. Oh baby, that sounds beautiful. Holy shit, sounds gorgeous. Shit, that sounds fucking nice. Woo, baby, that sounds fucking beautiful. Holy shit. Oh, the deceleration is so nice. Holy Fritos, baby. That shit fucking goes. Ho 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 ho. That is some sound, baby. I'm like lost for words. Holy shit. Fucking traffic. Oh my god. That is so fucking loud. Oh my god. Oh my god. The next thing this thing needs is a tune. What's going on here? Holy shit. It's crazy right now. I've never seen traffic this bad. Oh man, this is crazy loud. Ha ha ha. Oh my god, the sound is too good, guys. It's like, I don't want it to be too loud because, you know, I don't want to upset people, but at the same time, I'm like, yo, it's too good to put the baffle in, you know? Oh shit.